Welcome today in front of me Realme GT Master Edition, and I'll show you how to activate Hey Google of Google Assistant on this device. So first you should launch the Google application, and here on the right down corner tap to the more icon. Now just go to the settings and tap to the voice. Now just pick the voice match section. And here you can see the OK Google section. Just to turn on Hey Google, tap on the switcher once, tap continue, yes I agree, and say OK Google. OK Google. And again say OK Google. And now just finish. And as can you see right now, our OK Google or Hey Google option is activated. So that's how it looks. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.